Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. If you have these type of questions in your mind, so don't worry, you are on the right channel. But don't forget to subscribe the channel. And today's video is going to help you a lot for improving your English speaking practice. So let's stay tuned and just start today's topic, how to talk about liars and lying. So this is the again next session. So we are going to talk about that. You do not fool even some of the people. So this is the question. Everybody knows your propensity for avoiding facts. You have built so solid and unsavory a reputation that only a stranger is likely to be misled, and then not for long. A notorious liar. So we'll talk if this kind of situation will be there, so we will say a notorious liar. To the highest summits of the artistry, your ability is top drawer. Rarely does anyone lie as convictingly or as artistically as you do. Your skill has, in short, reached the zenith of the perfection. Zenith is the perfection means a peak, a consummate liar. So beyond redemption or salvation. You are impervious to the correction, often as you may be caught in your fabrication. There is no reforming you. You go right on lying despite the punishment, embarrassment, or unhappiness that your stories of truth may bring upon you. An incorrigible liar, too old to learn new tricks. You are the victim of the firmly fixed and deep rooted habits. Telling untruths is as frequent as customary activity as brushing your teeth in the morning or having toast and the coffee. An in, inveterate liar. So English is all about sense. I'm talking about, so they are the different kind of liars, but what the situation and what the condition is there, so you have to use that word. Next one is an early start. You have such a long history of persistent falsification that one can only suspect that your vice started when you were reposing in your mother's womb. In other words, and allowing for a great deal of exaggeration for effect, you have been lying from the moment of your birth. So next one is the congenial liar. So all are the liars, but they have the different and specific name. Not let up. You never stop lying. While normal people lie on occasion and often for special reason, you lie continually, not occasionally or even frequently, but over and over. A chronicle liar. So liar are the different kind of liar. Someone lie every time and someone lie occasionally. A strange disease. You are not concerned with the difference between truth and the falsehood. You do not bother to distinguish fact or from the fantasy. In the fact, your lying is a disease that no antibiotic can cure. A pathological liar. So all liars are different. No regrets. You are completely without a conscience, no matter what misery your fabrication may cause your innocent victims. An unconscientious liar. So all these have the different kind of liar. Again, we have the notorious, famous or infamous. For lying tendency to the falsely is well known. So we have completed today's session, my friend. So the liars are different type. So we have the words for all the liars. So how we can use the perfect word for the liars according to the situation. English is all about the sense. What the sense is there, you have to use that word. So I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.